I do believe it's that time again. What do you think, Hyper? Time for another video? Let's go! Hey, you guys like my jacket? Pretty swanky. Feeling a little bit pimpin'. Welcome to our onboard experience. Holy shit! What is up, brothers and sisters? Welcome to today's video. Today's gonna be a good one. So let's cover something real quick. Number one, if you're new here, welcome. I know we got a couple new subscribers. We're up to 182 right now. Welcome to the new homies. What is good? My name's Chris. We do Mk7 GTI stuff here. We build it, we go fast, we do fun stuff. Boom, business covered. Now, what we're gonna do today is we're going to install the dual gauge pods from Euro Tuning, and these are actually sick. Let's look at them under the light. They're like, I think they're 3D printed out, and you can get them textured and stuff. It almost like, I don't know how to describe it. It feels like silky. They're super cool, but you can get them textured or smooth. So I got textured just because I thought it'd be a little more, you know, fun. But so here's the problem. Your boy's a broke man, and I just bought like a regular boost gauge, and instead of running that like super tiny chintzy boost line that it comes with, I made an adapter for it so that I could run heavy vacuum line, because you know we're pushing more around 25 pounds, so I didn't want to eat up that line right away as soon as we put it in. So that's great and dandy at all, except these are closed back gauge pods, so the problem is I can't get the vacuum line on the gauge without kinking it, getting it into the pod. So I'm gonna have to just wait it out a little bit, and I want to do one of the AEM electric boost gauges. I might end up getting that, and mostly I just wanted to do it because I've never put a boost gauge in before, and you know on the channel here we learn how to do shit and we do it together. So now that we've addressed problem number one, Wednesday the front mount intercooler is coming in, so hopefully I will either try to get that in Thursday or the following weekend, because I'm probably gonna need to run to my dad's house, because I know you got to pull the whole belly pan off and everything underneath to get to it. Not like it would be hard. I know it's not hard, it's just a lot you have to take off to get to it. So that'll come in Wednesday. We'll do an unboxing, take a look at it, and then we'll get an install. But obviously we're gonna do it like we always do it, bro. We're gonna go over everything and let you guys know and keep it real. So I just threw up in my mouth. I'm so sorry. Everybody that's on my Instagram poll, I was just trying to get some ideas as to see like what you guys really wanted to see on the channel. So I took screenshots of all of that, and thank you to everybody who made their special requests. I'm gonna try to get to all of it. I mean, why not do all of it? The rating subscribers and friends cars, I'm like iffy on, because like I really don't believe in like roasting people, bro. Like if that's what you truly love and you love what you're building and you're putting your time into it, who am I to say that like it's not good or like it's not what I like or whatever. So that one I'm not 100% sure on yet. I might do a thing where like I go over like all my subscribers or like a bunch of subscribers cars, or like I have people send me pictures and then we'll do like a little bit of a rating. But like, you know what I'm saying, bro? Like who am I to judge like other people's builds and like what they love to do? So but maybe we'll do it for you guys. Maybe we'll do it. We won't do like a roast, but we'll do like we'll just do like a nice rating. We'll be like, I don't really like that, but I love this. Maybe we'll do it. You let me know. If you guys really want to do it, then we'll do it. And what else am I missing? I don't really know. If I keep hitting my head, I'm gonna start going slow. So today, I don't know if I said it or not, so let's get back to that because I'm getting off track, because ADHD. I want to do highway pulls, so I figured it'd be fun to just go out and do some POV highway pulls because, you know, you can't really get away with too much in town around here. So we're gonna hop on the highway and just do some rips, and yeah, I hope you guys like it because that's what I love doing, and we're gonna have some fun. So I'm trying my absolute best to give you guys the best possible content and work with what I have. But if you want to support your boy, go down there, hit subscribe so we can grow this channel and we can go ham. I mean, we can go ham. I'm gonna put everything that comes from the channel into the channel. That's no joke. I'm not being like, I want to make a bunch of money being a YouTuber. I don't give a shit about that. I really don't. I want to take what comes from you guys, because if it's as simple as you just subscribing and watching the videos, and then I can give you what you want to see as your content creator. Like, bro, I'm your director. I am your director, but you tell me what to do, and then I will give you what you want to see, and I hope that you like it, because I'm having so much fun, and I can't wait to push this year as hard as possible and make the channel go farther. Gah! Yeah, you guys like the new jacket? Pretty swanky, feeling a little bit of pimping. Ooh, ooh. Yo, real life problems. I saw that bubble up like a couple weeks ago, and I literally knew. I was like, fuck. So for now, I'm just gonna like really lightly sand it, and I might just sneak some nail polish on there with a little bit of clear, and I'll just heat gun it enough so that it dries up and doesn't chip anymore. You know, salt problems, that really sucks. But now we'll just put a wide body on. Problem solved. Hey, you. Alrighty. Oh yeah. I'm sorry my car's a mess. I'll get you guys set up here because I know that looks good from up there. And let's go rip on the highway, bro. Let's go have some fun. Welcome to our onboard experience. Fasten your seatbelts. It's gonna be one hell of a ride. Oh yeah, so those gauge pods, they sit right here and then they like come up and sit right there. So I think it'd be super sick if I could put those in, get like a good electronic boost gauge and maybe an oil temp or a coolant temp gauge, and then I could probably just get rid of the access port altogether. Cause like I love the access port, but it just looks goofy, let's be real. It looks goofy sitting right there. With that being said, let's go have some fun. Dude, I hope the mic picks that up. Oh, I love it. You spicy! Bro, I could listen to that noise all day. Thank you for the salt. This lady is not gonna be happy. Oh, she waved! What? She liked it. Who knew? It's so fucking great. Oh boy, that's slushy. Alrighty, boys. Man, we got to 65 so fast. Oh my god. hit thumbs up. Let's hit 200 subs this year, baby. Let's go. Let's start off the year right. Go tell your friends, bro. If you got a car homie, go tell them to subscribe. Tell them about the channel. If you got, your mom got YouTube, go get her to subscribe, bros. Let's do this shit. Woo! Man, this car goes so well at 65, Jesus. Alright, let's get one more and then we'll hop off the interstate. Because it's not really a good idea to be ripping on the interstate and then stay on the interstate. Let's do a third. Definitely time to get off the interstate. There's a state trooper right there. Love you, homie. You the man. Good thing we're doing the speed limit. Time to hop off the highway and go back road style. So I can take it back on this seasons. So there you go. Oh, cannot make a wife out of a hoe. No. That downshift though. Change my mind. Let's go back that other way. Because if we go up that road, there's a lot more twisty turnies. Yeah, buddy. Just sit back and enjoy the ride, folks. Yeah, we should start our own tour company. We'll bring like 3 people and give them a tour. And if you look to your right, and if you look to your left, we got snow. And over there, them's just trees. You know, I hate the salt, and I kind of hate the snow sometimes. But like Vermont, bro, got the best roads. Like honestly. You don't even have to drive fast. Like just like you got a river, a mountains covered in snow, trees covered in snow, bro. Like beautiful views. Just like take your lady out, going and cruising on Sundays. They're perfect. No matter what you need. You want to go fast? Go fast. You want to go slow? Enjoy your 9. Enjoy your time. Do that. Especially this road. They just paved it, bro. This one's like beautiful. Appreciate the road. Love the road, feel the road, be the road. A true driver can drive anywhere. Bro, I just love driving, like goddamn. Makes you feel a certain kind of way, you know? You either got it or you don't. I got to stop and wipe my windscreen. I can't see a thing. Oh my god, much better. Dude, I had to pee so bad, it's not even funny. Yo, they had like these, I don't know if you can see them. They're like on a trailer, but they're porta potties, but they're not, they're like the nicest thing I've had. They're like nicer than regular bathrooms. It's like a airplane sized bathroom, but super cool. It's kind of sick, especially if we're out here in the middle of nowhere. And I can't take it back all of the things. So there you go. Can't make a wife out of a hoe, no. Let's clear the runway, boys. I just saw a giant flame. Let's go. When we shifted out of first to second, it literally sounded like a butane torch lighting. It was like that was sick. That was definitely a giant ass flame. Yo, when I get a new exhaust on, we should do like just flame clips. If you guys want to see that, comment below. We'll do a whole video of just flame clips. Guys, did you see that Civic Asai? 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 Asai boy. I like it. I like Civic SIs, bro. I think they're kind of underrated. Like, looks-wise, they're not like, you know, they're not the fastest thing in the world, but they look sick. I like them. Like the older generations, I think it's like 2007, 2010 or whatever. I think when you can make them look pretty aggressive. I like them. I think they're sick. Oh my God. I've never moved so fast in my life. I've never done that. I hopped out because I was all excited to film the outro and I didn't put the e-brake on. Luckily the driveway's flat. God, it like rolled a little bit and I was like, Jesus, I've never done that before. That was awful. That was so much fun. Alrighty bros, we ripped on the highway. We gave her a full send, a little top speed action. It wasn't like top speed, but we really ripped it. I hope you enjoy it. Once again, shout out to the new homies, shout out to the new subscribers. What is good? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. We're only going up from here, bros. Let's hit 200. When I post this video tonight, do it for me. Go hit that like, hit that subscribe, tell a friend. If everybody tells one friend and we get 20 views, we'll hit 200, bro. That'd be so sick. I'm so excited. I love this so much. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. And I hope everything I'm doing will soon pay off. And we can grow together and have an amazing channel and put Vermont on the map and put all the homies around here with all those underground beautiful builds around here. Give them some light, give them a turn. Because we all deserve it, bro. Alrighty, man. I think that's it. I'm gonna go inside, edit this up, and get it slapped up for you guys. Other than that, you guys keep it real. Your boy's out. Peace.